Ever wonder for a city what's the average cash on cash return? Where are value add opportunities? And has there been any price drops? Well, I built a free app to see all those things and more. So, this is the market analysis app. You can select between 50 major markets and see some great stats behind it. So, in this example, I'm looking at Birmingham, Alabama, and we can see there's about 900 on market listings, both single family and multifamily, and the listing price on average is about $200,000. We could also dive deeper by looking at charts to see the distribution of properties by price, as well as visuals to see where are more expensive and least expensive areas. We can also see this breakdown by zip code and even download it as well. For cash flow metrics, we have information on estimated rent across all the properties, cash on cash return, cash flow, and how many properties meet the 1% rule. We can also look at charts below to see, for example, cash on cash return, how the distribution of that looks as well. And we could download this below. For price changes, we have information on price drops and how many are recent within the last 7 days, as well as the average price drop for a particular city. Then for opportunities, we're also calculating how many listings are fixer-uppers, ability to add a bedroom, ADU eligible, and how many are for sale by owner. You could then go to market comparison. In this example, I'm looking at Birmingham and comparing it to Charlotte, North Carolina. You could select any of the other markets here and view these head to head, where you could see information on the market, return on investment, price drops, and opportunities. Please let me know what you think.